Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. Maximum lead content for water pipes and fittings. Letter A, 2%. Letter B, 0.2%. Letter C, 0.5%. Letter D, 8%. The answer is letter D, 8%. Question number 2. A pipe, which carries ground and surface waters, storm water or wastewater into a building drainage system. Letter A, drain. Letter B, house sewer. Letter C, fixture drain. Letter D, storm drain. The answer is letter A, drain. Question number 3. A fitting, screwed or caulked over the end of a pipe for closing the pipe end. Letter A, plug. Letter B, cap. Letter C, Y. Letter D, combo. The answer is letter B, cap. Question number 4. Thrust block sizes shall be based on the following, except blank. Letter A, maximum line pressure. Letter B, pipe color. Letter C, kind of soil. Letter D, pipe size. The answer is letter B, pipe color. Question number 5. Cleanouts may be omitted on a horizontal drain line less than blank in length unless such line is serving sinks or urinals. Letter A, 1.2 meters. Letter B, 1.5 meters. Letter C, 0.75 meter. Letter D, 0.45 meter. The answer is letter B, 1.5 meters. Question number 6. Each grease trap shall have an approved water seal of blank. Letter A, not less than 51 mm in depth or the diameter of its outlet, whichever is greater. Letter B, not more than 51 mm in depth or the diameter of its outlet, whichever is greater. Letter C, not less than 51 mm in depth or the diameter of its outlet, whichever is smaller. Letter D, not more than 51 mm in depth or the diameter of its outlet, whichever is smaller. The answer is letter A, not less than 51 mm in depth or the diameter of its outlet, whichever is greater. Question number 7. Copper tube for water supply piping shall have a weight of not less than blank. Letter A, type K. Letter B, type L. Letter C, type M. Letter D, type DWV. The answer is letter B, type L. Question number 8. It is a leaded yellow brass copper alloy for cleanout plugs. Letter A, C85-200 alloy. Letter B, C26000 alloy. Letter C, C95-400 alloy. Letter D, C17-200 alloy. The answer is letter A, C85-200 alloy. Question number 9. ASTM standard specification for hubless cast iron soil pipe and fittings for sanitary and storm drain, waste, and vent piping applications. Letter A, ASTM A888-20. Letter B, ASTM A126. Letter C, ASTM A377-18. Letter D, ASTM A74-98. The answer is letter A, ASTM A888-20. Question number 10. Temporary workingman facilities, 1 water closet and 1 urinal for blank. Letter A, each 15 workmen. Letter B, each 6 workmen. Letter C, each 30 workmen. Letter D, each 75 workmen. The answer is letter C, each 30 workmen. Question number 11. The vertical portion of a rainwater conductor. Letter A, gutter drop. Letter B, trough. Letter C, splash block. Letter D, downspout. The answer is letter D, downspout. Question number 12. When a backflow prevention device does not bear a critical level or CL marking, the blank of the vacuum breaker, combination valve or the any such approved device shall constitute the critical level. Letter A, top. Letter B, bottom. Letter C, side. Letter D, center. The answer is letter B, bottom. Question number 13. Before martial law in 1972, Republic Act No. 6541 was passed with the National Plumbing Code of 1959 as referral code in full text. Republic Act No. 6541, otherwise known as blank. Letter A, Plumbing Law of the Philippines. Letter B, Building Code of the Philippines. Letter C, the Fire Code of the Philippines. Letter D, the Code on Sanitation of the Philippines. The answer is letter B, Building Code of the Philippines. Question number 14. The indirect waste lines carrying refrigeration waste shall not be smaller than shown in the following pipe size schedule, for one inlet serving not more than 2.8 cubic meters of refrigeration space. Letter A, 102 mm, letter B, 76 mm, letter C, 51 mm, letter D, 32 mm. The answer is letter D, 32 mm. Question number 15. Water lifts, expansion tanks, cooling jackets, sprinkler systems, drip or overflow pans or similar devices which discharge clear wastewater into the building drainage system shall discharge through an indirect waste by blank. Letter A, means of an air brake. Letter B, means of an air gap. Letter C, means of a receptor. Letter D, means of a drum trap. The answer is letter B, means of an air gap. Question number 16. All plumbing fixtures shall be installed properly spaced, to be accessible for their intended use. Letter A, Principle number 13. Letter B, Principle number 18. Letter C, Principle number 20. Letter D, Principle number 22. The answer is letter C, Principle number 20. Question number 17. It is measured between the crown weir and the top of the dip of the trap. Letter A, trap arm. Letter B, tailpiece. Letter C, fixture drain. Letter D, trap seal. The answer is letter D, trap seal. Question number 18. Velocities shall not exceed blank of the maximum values given in the appropriate installation standard except as otherwise approved by the administrative authority. Letter A, 3 meters per second. Letter B, 5 meters per second. Letter C, 0.5 meter per second. Letter D, 7 meters per second. The answer is letter A, 3 meters per second. Question number 19. When disposal fields are installed, a minimum of blank of trench bottom shall be provided for each system exclusive of any hard pan, rock, clay, or other impervious formations. Letter A, 6 square meters. Letter B, 14 square meters. Letter C, 1.5 square meters. Letter D, 1.2 square meters. The answer is letter B, 14 square meters. Question number 20. Polyvinyl chloride tube is colored blank. Letter A, black. Letter B, blue. Letter C, yellow. Letter D, orange. The answer is letter B, blue. Question number 21. Valves blank in size shall be all brass or bronze metal. Letter A, less than 102 mm, letter B, 102 mm or larger. Letter C, up to and including 51 mm, letter D, up to and including 76 mm. The answer is letter C, up to and including 51 mm. Question number 22. Where disposal facilities are abandoned consequent to connecting any premises with the public sewer, the permittee making the connection shall fill all abandoned facilities as required by the administrative authority within blank from the time of connecting the sewer service line to the public sewer. Letter A, 3 days. Letter B, 15 days. Letter C, 30 days. Letter D, 1 year. The answer is letter C, 30 days. Question number 23. The area of the side of a tall building exposed to rain is taken as blank of the gross area. Letter A, 25%. Letter B, 50%. Letter C, 75%. Letter D, 80%. The answer is letter B, 50%. Question number 24. An additional cleanout shall be provided on a horizontal line with an aggregate offset angle of direction exceeding blank. Letter A, 72 degrees. Letter B, 30 degrees. Letter C, 60 degrees. Letter D, 135 degrees. The answer is letter D, 135 degrees. Question number 25. Rainwater piping shall be used as soil, waste and vent pipes. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. Letter C, sometimes. Letter D, if approved by the administrative authority. The answer is letter B, false.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.